Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Home American Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a preferred web browser of your choice. Once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in apply.homeamericanmortgage.com and search. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the sign-in page for Home American Mortgage Corporation. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up first by clicking on the sign up option at the top left-hand corner of the screen. To sign into your existing mortgage account, type in your email address inside the email tab on the page. On the next field, type in your correct password for your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on Trouble Signing In and follow through the instructions. After entering your email and password, click Sign In and you will then be able to access your Home American Mortgage account online in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.